Introducing your baby to solid foods is an exciting milestone, and baby-led weaning can make it a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some essential tips to help you get started on this journey. First, ensure your baby is ready for solids. Look for signs like sitting up with minimal support, showing interest in food, and the ability to grasp objects. Typically, this happens around 6 months of age. Create a safe and comfortable eating environment. Use a high chair with a footrest to support your baby's posture, and always supervise meal times to prevent choking hazards. Start with soft, easy-to-grasp foods. Think steamed vegetables like carrots or broccoli, or ripe fruits like banana and avocado. Cut them into finger-sized pieces that your baby can hold and explore. Remember, the goal is exploration, not consumption. Allow your baby to play with the food, squish it, and taste it at their own pace. This helps develop their motor skills and encourages a positive relationship with food. Introduce a variety of foods gradually. This not only exposes your baby to different tastes and textures, but also helps identify any potential allergies. Offer new foods one at a time and wait a few days before introducing another. Stay patient and relaxed. It's normal for babies to make a mess and even reject certain foods initially. Keep offering a range of options without pressure and trust your baby's instincts. Hydration is important too. Offer small sips of water in a sippy cup during meals to help your baby learn to drink independently. Lastly, enjoy the process. Baby-led weaning is about more than just eating. It's an opportunity to bond and share family meals together. Celebrate the small victories and cherish these moments as your baby grows and discovers the world of food.